Namaskaram. Welcome back. We move along to the next shlokam. Shlokam number 4 of Sri Rajarajeshwari Mantra Matrikastavam, brilliantly composed by Adi Shankaracharya. Today we will come to Aksharam number 4 or syllable number 4, La. Please join me. Let us chant. Lakshya Nirikshanam Nirupamam Rudrakshamala Trayaksharthakriti Dakshavamshakalika Dirghakshi Dirghaswaram Bhadram Bhadravara-pradam Bhagavati Bhadreshwari Mudrini Shri Chakrapriya Bindu Tarpana Param Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari. The meanings: salutations to Goddess Shri Rajarajeshwari, who sees all that is manifest and unmanifest, who is without equal and wears a garland of Rudrakshas, who is the three-eyed one, source of the meaning of Triyaksha, who is like a blossoming digit of the moon, or descended from the twice-born Daksha's lineage, who has long, beautiful eyes and a prolonged, melodious voice, who is the auspicious one and the bestower of auspicious boons, who is the supreme goddess, queen of the lotuses, Padmeshwari, and granter of mudras, who is ever fond of the worship of Sri Chakra and offerings at its central bindu, who is the supreme queen, Shri Rajarajeshwari.